If you have pasta at home, make this recipe in a few minutes. For our recipe, I will put 200 grams of pasta in a pan and I will add water to cover all the pasta. I'll add some olive oil and a teaspoon of salt. I'll stir a little and let it cook until the pasta are ready. In another pan, we will add a tablespoon of butter. I stir until our butter melts completely. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of tomato extract and stir again so that the extract adds the taste of butter. Then I will add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of dried parsley, a teaspoon of chili flakes, and finally a teaspoon of oregano. I will stir well until the seasonings add flavor to our tomato extract. Next, I'll add 4 whole eggs and I'll wait a little until the eggs start cooking. Once it is this way, I will stir all the ingredients until the eggs are well mixed. This recipe will surprise you how delicious it is. Now I will add all our pasta and I will stir again. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Marian Mutu from Trinidad. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Next, I will add 300 grams of heavy cream. Just by the ingredients you can see that our pasta is very delicious. I will stir well so that all our tomato extract is completely mixed with our heavy cream. Tell me your favorite recipe with pasta, eggs, and tomato extract. I'll love to know. This has become one of my favorite recipes since I first made it. Everyone here at home loves it when I do it. To finish, I will put a little parsley to taste. When I make this pasta at home, there is nothing left. Okay, look how our pasta was delicious. Saw how incredibly easy it is to prepare, make in your home. I'm sure everyone will love this recipe. I have no doubt that your friends and family will want to know all the details of how to make this wonderful pasta. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I see you in the next video. Bye!